Hey, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to export your NLU, uh, like your intents, your entity types, and all the things related to your natural language understanding, and how to import that by creating a voice flow, assistant. So the first thing that we have to know is that an agent on Dialogflow CX can be exported. So right now you can export the agent in with to two kind of export. The first one is a blob, which is kind of binary, so you cannot open it, you cannot check what is inside of that blob file, and the other one is in JSON format. So in that case, what you are gonna have is a zip file, and when you uncompress that zip file, what you are gonna see is basically all your agent information uh, extracted, and you can see there like the agent information, like the intents that you have added with the training phrases per locale, same with the entity types, and your flows, your pages, like all the metadata for your agent, but extracted in JSON format. So we are gonna use that zip file that we are gonna extract from our Dialogflow CX agent to import the NLU on our voice flow assistant. Okay, so to extract your agent, or to export your agent, you have to go to the main Dialogflow CX console page where you have all your agents listed in your Google Cloud project. So if you go to the agent that you want to export, you have to click on this button and click export. Okay, here as you saw, you have the two types that I explained you, which is the raw bytes is the blob format, and the other one is the JSON package format that is gonna download the zip file. You can check or choose the environment that you wanna export. Remember that you can create different environments on your Dialogflow CX agents. So whenever you publish a new version and you create a new environment, let's say production environment, you can promote your code to that environment. You can export specific environment. Okay, and then you can export that to a Google Cloud storage bucket, or just download it. Okay, if we click to download, we are gonna have the zip file downloaded here. There you go, we have the exported agent, test agent .zip. And if we close this image and we go to voice flow, for those that don't know what it is, basically it is a no code tool, low code or no code, to design conversations. So um, it's completely free, and you can register just by going to voiceflow.com. So whenever or once you have registered and when you have signed up to voiceflow.com, you will see something like this. And to create an assistant, let me move me here. So when you create an assistant, you can choose the what is the type that you want to create, what is the assistant type that you want to create. Launch and host, that means that we are gonna design the assistant and the host is gonna be executed. The host, sorry, means that the assistant is gonna be executed on voiceflow. And the other thing is the design and handoff. That means that we are gonna design our assistant in voiceflow, and then we are gonna execute somewhere else. In this case, this is the option that we want, because here, as you can see, we have the Dialogflow 6 and also the Dialogflow ES integration, because we are gonna design our conversation here, but we are gonna execute our assistant on Dialogflow CX. So for instance, if we click here, my Dialogflow CX assistant, and we click on continue, we can change, we can select the modality. In this case, it's gonna be chat, Dialogflow CX. Here you can see that we have a button to import our Dialogflow CX NLU model. So we go here and import our C file that we have just downloaded. We are gonna see that there are 7 intents that has been added with 4 entities. Okay, the language that is our Dialogflow CX agents is English United States. So then when we create our assistant, let me move me here, what we are gonna see is on the NLU model the intents that we have on our Dialogflow CX. In this case, that is gonna be high intent, the info intent, the order intent, and the test intent. We check the entities, we are gonna see the entity types that we have created on our Dialogflow CX agents. So in this case, we are gonna have order type, pizza, Coke, and Pokemon. Okay, for example, with all the synonyms, same as sysdate and sysnumber. Just to confirm that, we can go to our Dialogflow CX agent, go to the manage tab, and then under our intents, what we are gonna see is all our intents that we have here and are the same that we have here on VoiceFlow. The default negative intent, the default welcome intent, um, the help intent, high intent, info intent, or the intent. So for instance, if we go to the order intent, what we are gonna see is that we have the same information. I want 3 Cokes, I want 2 pizzas, so that is what we want. I want uh, a number and then the order type. These are the entity types for our NLU model. So yeah, as you can see, it's quite easy to export and import information from Dialogflow CX to VoiceFlow. And yeah, I hope this is useful for you. And yeah, you can create your assistants on Dialogflow 6 and designing awesome conversations in VoiceFlow. That is really useful. I hope you like it and see you in the next video.